learners! Today we are going to learn about comparison and contrast connectors. So let's do it!
In compare and contrast essay, connectors help to you create coherence by indicating the relationship between ideas in sentence and combined sentence. We have some connectors, contrast connectors, unlike, different from, while, although, whereas. Now we are going to see an example. While people in USA use a real tree, Colombian people use an artificial tree. While is the contrast connector. It is contrasting. Also, we have compare connectors. For example, similar to, like, both, likewise. And the example is, both Colombia and USA cultures celebrate Christmas. Both is the compare connector and is compare both cultures.
So let's go to practice.